When I have a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem, such as 37 times 52, a lot of times, rather than thinking of it as 2-digit by 2-digit, I'll think of it as two 1-digit by 2-digit multiplication problems. And that kind of simplifies the process a little bit. So I might take the 37 and I write it over to the side like that. So I remember the number. And then since I'm going to do one place at a time, I'm going to get rid of the tens place first. I'm going to start with the smallest place first. And I'm just going to treat it as a 1 by 2 multiplication problem. So 7 times 2 is 14. I put my ones place down. I carry my group of 10. 7 times 5, 35, plus 1 is 36. So my first row of numbers is just 364. Now I'm done with that. I'm done with the 7. And I know the number's not really 7, it's 37. So I'm going to put the 3 back. And I'm going to move over, since I've done the 7 already, I'm going to move over and I'm going to do the 3. Well, since I'm moving over and doing the 3, I need to move my answer over too. And the easiest way to do that is to put a 0 down as a placeholder. And then I'm just going to multiply again as if it's a 1 by 2-digit multiplication problem. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. There's nowhere to carry that digit, so I just put it down there. And then I'm just going to add them together. And notice, even though my handwriting's not very neat, I'm trying to be really careful. I'm not writing too small. I'm trying to write large enough that I can see clearly what my digits are, and then make sure they are all lined up in the correct place underneath each other. Otherwise, I might do a great job multiplying, but mess things up on the addition end of things. So 4 plus 0 would be 4. 6 plus 6 would be 12. I would carry my group of 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then I just have the 1 right there. And then I count over and I put my comma. So again, rather than treating it as 2 by 2 multiplication, think about taking it 1 digit at a time. Take the ones place first, then don't forget your 0 to move things over and to do your tens place times that again. And so one more time, really quickly, over to the side. Let's do one more problem. I'm going to write my 29. I'm going to erase my tens place, and I'm just going to multiply. And I've got my first row. I erase what I carried. I'm going to put my 2 back. I've done my ones place, so I'm going to move over to my tens place. So I've got to remember that 0. And then I just do 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8. And then after they're carefully lined up, I add them. 7. And there I have my 2 answers.